welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing a skincare brand from Superdrug. So the brand that I will be reviewing is the Natural Radiant Skincare. I grabbed as much of the products that was there as I could. I wanted to try the range just to see if it actually would leave my skin any more hydrated than what it is. My skin is very sensitive. I have very dry skin. I do have eczema, so it was interesting to see if this would work for my skin type and how my skin would be left at the end of the week. So I did trial the products for a week just to get the maximum results. So the products that I chose were the Natural Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Cleanser. This is what the tube looks like. It says on it that it awakens the skin's natural glow. It has kiwi fruits and mulberry extract in there as well, which are very good for hydrating the skin and also leaving the skin with a lovely radiant glow to it. The next product that I got was the Simply Pure Toner. So this actually claims that it is for sensitive skin, and this is the toner that I used during my trial period for the week. It says that it is fragrance-free, hyperallergenic and dermatologically approved. The next product that I picked up was the Simple Pure Serum. This is from a sensitive skin range as well. So this is fragrance-free, dermatologically approved and also hyperallergenic too, just like the toner is. So this is a brightening day cream. It does contain 15 SPF in there as well, which is great because the weather in Britain is actually getting a lot hotter now, so this would be good for helping to protect your skin. If you've watched my previous skincare, you will know in products that contain a moisturiser and an SPF, one of the two components don't work. So anything that's over a 15 SPF, do be careful because one of the two components don't work, and it usually is the moisturiser. So it's better to be careful and get one that has got a low SPF in it, or you can do the simple thing of putting an SPF on before you put your moisturiser on. Then I got a Natural Radiant Eye Cream. So I thought I would put this on through the day and also on a night to help awaken my eyes and help with my dark circles. And last but not least, one of the products that I've heard so much about is Glycolic Overnight Peel. So this is a peel that you put on overnight and then wash it off in the morning. So this is my skin on day one, and I am just going to cleanse my skin with the hot cloth cleanser and also the flannel that it comes with. So I'm just taking the toner and putting it onto a cotton pad and just wiping that all over my skin just to get rid of any excess oils on the skin or any residue of dirt. I'm then using in the brightening eye cream just to gently pat around my eye area, and then the serum. So I'm patting this into the skin and then slowly buffing it in afterwards. And the moisturiser last but not least, just to make sure that everything is nice and locked in. So it is now the evening time of day one, and I'm doing the exact same thing as what I was doing this morning. Only difference is I won't be using the moisturiser or the serum, and I will be using the glycolic peel instead, and I'll be leaving that on overnight. So I am now just going to quickly remove all that glycolic acid peel, and then I'm just going to run through my skincare routine again. So I will be moisturising add in the toner, serums and also eye cream, and this is day 2. So this is day 4. Obviously I'm doing the same as what you've been seeing in the previous clips, but by this day I really did feel a difference in my skin. My skin was starting to feel better, it was starting to look better. After day 4 my skin was very radiant and glowing, and you could tell that I had been doing a really good skincare routine. Throughout this week of using the skincare, I was also drinking 2.2 litres a day, so that could have also contributed to my skin feeling and looking a little bit better, but I genuinely do think it was the products. Oh, bitch had the nerve, the audacity to touch my neck. Do not.
I'm gonna use the glycolic peel.
Here's a clip of me showing you my makeup because it just sat so much better on my skin. I wanted to see how well it removes makeup, so I'm just going to take the cleanser, put quite a bit on my hands. Obviously I know it's a good cleanser, but how good is it at removing makeup? So that's how much makeup it's removed on the first cleanse. So I'm gonna just do a second cleanse just to make sure that there's no makeup residue. Like obviously I have it all in my hairline, and then I'm gonna tone and we'll see how much extra makeup comes off. I'm just gonna tone my face. So that is the residue of what's come off from my face. So obviously it has managed to clean quite a bit. But with this glycolic peel, I've really been enjoying using this like on a night. My skin the next day straight after I washed it just feels really clean. It feels so soft to touch. It just feels really refreshed as well. Like at the moment my skin's obviously paler than my thing, and my skin's always a little bit red once I've used facial products on it, but I'm really enjoying the glycolic peel, and I will give you my final verdicts on it on day 7, so I will come back to you then. So that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. In my opinion, my skin felt amazing after using these products. So my skin was left nice and soft. I had a lovely radiant glow to my skin. My makeup would just go on so much easier. My favourite product out of everything is definitely the Glycolic Overnight Hydration Peel and also the Hot Cloth Cleanser. After I used the Hot Cloth Cleanser for the first time, I couldn't believe how soft my skin actually was. The Glycolic Peel, in the morning, it felt like my skin just had so much hydration brought to it, and I find it hard to keep my skin really hydrated, and if I use a product for a certain amount of time, my skin ends up getting used to it and then it just doesn't work anymore. So this range has been lovely to use on my skin. The eye cream, I were a bit sceptical on. I don't feel like it did much difference to my eye area. I loved this skincare brand. I will definitely be continuing to use it on a daily basis. If there are any other products or brands that you would like me to review, skincare wise or any sort of brand in general, please do leave them down below in the comment section and I will have a look into them. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They are left in the link in the description down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!